Good morning, lovelies. I'm sorry for the dew in the window again. I guess that would be one of the perks of having a balcony, is you wouldn't have to deal with this. I can't wipe it off because it's on the other side of the window. But we are in Cozumel. It's a bit cloudy this morning, but I'm praying that it'll clear up. I see the sun trying to break through a little bit right up in there. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but I see it. Water is calm, so that's good, because I know one of my friends was here just last week and they couldn't even dock because it was very, very windy. So I'm grateful. We're about to get ready to get off. We're not staying in Cozumel. We're actually going over to Playa del Carmen. So that's what's on the agenda today. So we're about to get ready. I am going to be switching over to my phone and my other microphone. So if the footage seems a little different, it's because I'm going to be inserting from my phone as well as my camera. But because I don't have my tripod and stuff, I really don't want to carry this camera around. It'll just be easier on my phone. It's going to suck for me in editing, but it's going to be good because then I don't have to worry about this big old camera all day, every day, and changing the settings and all of that. That's why I can't wait to invest in me a Sony. But for now, me and my Canon, we've been doing just fine. That's why y'all should watch and like and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff so I can afford me a better camera. But anyway, we're about to get ready and I'll see you guys outside. Alright, my off at the port outfit. I got this high-waisted bathing suit on Shein for like literally $8 or so. It's good for me because y'all know I still battle with mom belly, so... And of course, I just got this white cover, a white shirt. Really, it's just a shirt that I put over it. And these sandals I got from Shein a while back. These were in another video. So this is what I'm doing. I like these because it's like, it could be like shorts. So it's you know, just like me wearing some shorts and a top or whatever versus trying to put on clothes and have a swimsuit on or whatever. So this is cool, comfortable. I'm thinking about throwing my hat on. It ain't really sunny today. I pray it gets sunny, but I don't know. But if not, I just got my shades. But I don't know. I might wear my hat. If not, I'll probably save it for Bimini, because I did bring it and I would like to wear it. But yeah.
All right, y'all. We are in Cozumel, headed to our ferry to go to Playa del Carmen. Look at this water, y'all. That's our ship right there, the Virgin. We're catching the ferry over to Playa del Carmen. Right now, y'all, we on the ferry headed to Playa del Carmen. The ferry is empty now. We just getting on. We just got on. People are coming aboard. So y'all, we getting ready for some fun. Y'all, look, somebody's feeling sick. She can't take the ferry ride. She's going up and down. She thinks she's gonna throw up, y'all. Look at the bag. She can't take it, y'all. Yo, this is the picture of the ferry we was on. We just got to Playa del Carmen. Again, this is the ferry. This is the water.
Glasses, my lashes hitting these glasses.
This is the mass, y'all.
All right, y'all. Oh, hold on. Okay,
What's up, y'all?
I was losing my focus there. Playa del Carmen is great. The only problem we're seeing here is NFL items.
They don't have.
We were trying to get some for some of our friends, and their selection is terrible. You got to go to Cancun, and even Isla Mujeres has better NFL. If you like, every time we go to Mexico, we always get some NFL items, especially for friends.
Yes.
But they don't have a good selection. You can either get like the skull mask, which we don't like, and shot glasses, which none of our friends drink. And what else did we see? Oh, like the little tiki things, which I don't know what kind of spirit is behind those, so I don't never buy them.
Yeah, we never bring it back. No
spirits.
Nope.
So we just left things where they were. So as far as like for our friends that wanted sports stuff, y'all gonna have to catch us in the summer when
we'll be back, y'all.
When we go to Cozumel.
We will be back.
But Playa del Carmen is very nice. The NFL selection of items to purchase is not, it ain't hitting.
It's not it.
My nose itching. But other than that, it's very nice. We found some cheap massages that we're about to go get. So that's what we're about to do, and then find some food, hang out at the beach, and before you know it, it'll be time to get back on the ferry to get back on the ship.
Y'all, the massages, two people for $60.
For an hour. That's really, really good. We're gonna get some massages.
These are our very special masseuse.
Amiga.
What's your name? Names?
Valentina.
And Alex.
It was a great massage, y'all. When y'all come to Playa Del Carmen, check them out.